Hello there, travel enthusiasts. Today we dive into the breathtaking landscapes of Turkey, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Turkey is a geographical marvel, straddling the line between Europe and Asia, a land where east meets west. This diverse nation boasts a variety of landscapes, each more captivating than the last. Imagine walking along pristine beaches lapped by 3 different seas or hiking up rugged mountains that stretch to the sky. Picture yourself exploring unique geological formations that seem otherworldly in their beauty. And let's not forget the lush forests, rolling hills, and vast plains that make up this stunning country. Each region, each city, each village in Turkey offers its own unique blend of natural charm and historical significance. So, buckle up as we venture into the best scenic spots in Turkey. First stop, Rize, a city that's a green paradise in the Black Sea region of Turkey. As if painted by the deft strokes of an artist's brush, Rize unfurls a panorama of a verdant dream. It's a place where the greenery is not just a part of the scenery, it's a way of life. Imagine hillsides adorned with lush tea gardens, their terraced rows forming a pattern as rhythmic as a symphony. Here, tea leaves glisten with morning dew, a testament to the city's role as Turkey's tea capital. Venture further and the tea gardens give way to expansive pine forests. These verdant woods whisper tales of the region's rich biodiversity. The air is heavy with the scent of pine, a constant reminder of the untouched beauty that Rize holds within its boundaries. But Rize is not just about its lowlands. The city is also home to high-altitude plateaus, each more captivating than the last. Among these, the Adar Plateau stands out, a serene beauty nestled among the peaks. It's a place where the mountains meet the sky, where the clouds descend to kiss the earth, and where every sight seems to belong to a postcard. Not far from Adar, the Fertina Valley carves its way through the landscape. Here the Fertina River flows with an unbridled energy, its turquoise waters contrasting beautifully with the surrounding greenery. The valley is a haven for those seeking adventure, offering activities like rafting and zip-lining. Rize is a place where nature is not just seen, but felt. It's an experience that seeps into your soul, slowing down time and allowing you to appreciate the simpler, quieter aspects of life. The city's charm lies in its ability to offer a calm and peaceful escape, a stark contrast to the bustling cities. So whether you're a tea lover, a nature enthusiast, or someone seeking tranquility, Rize is a destination that promises to leave you enthralled. Rize offers a calm and peaceful escape, a stark contrast to the bustling cities. Next, we explore the otherworldly landscapes of Cappadocia, a region that's like stepping into a fairy tale. Imagine an artist's palette, where the colors of the sun paint the sky and the terrain with hues of orange, pink, and red. That's Cappadocia for you, a masterpiece sculpted by nature, nestled right in the heart of Turkey. The region's unique topography is characterized by intricate rock formations, each telling a story of millions of years of geological evolution. These formations, sculpted by wind and water over eons, have resulted in an array of enchanting shapes and structures that captivate the eye and stir the imagination. Among these formations, the most iconic are the fairy chimneys. Named for their whimsical resemblance to magical dwellings, these towering structures rise from the ground like ancient skyscrapers, their conical tops capped with hard basalt. These natural towers dot the landscape, creating a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. But the magic of Cappadocia doesn't stop at the surface. The region is riddled with an extensive network of cave dwellings, carved into the soft volcanic rock by the resourceful inhabitants of yesteryears. These caves, once homes and sanctuaries, now serve as unique hotels, offering visitors a chance to experience life as it was lived centuries ago. To truly appreciate the grandeur of Cappadocia, one must take to the skies. Hot air balloon rides are a popular attraction here, providing a bird's-eye view of the entire region. As you float above the landscape, the valleys, the fairy chimneys, and the cave dwellings spread out below you in a breathtaking panorama painted with the first light of dawn. Each corner of Cappadocia whispers tales of the past, of civilizations that have come and gone, of nature's relentless creativity, and of the enduring allure of this extraordinary place. Cappadocia truly is a place where nature and history intertwine in the most beautiful way. Now, let's head to the coast and bask in the Mediterranean beauty of Antalya. Imagine a place where golden beaches meet turquoise waters, where the sun paints an ever-changing canvas of breathtaking hues, and where the old world blends seamlessly with the new. Welcome to Antalya, a gem tucked away on Turkey's southwestern coast, a city that has perfected the art of sun, sea, and sand. Antalya's coastline is a dreamlike vision, Miles upon miles of golden sand beaches stretch out before you, each grain shimmering under the warm Mediterranean sun. The beaches are a paradise for sunbathers and swimmers alike, offering a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. But it's not just the beaches that make Antalya so special. The city is a vibrant tapestry of history and culture, with the picturesque old town of Kalichi at its heart. Here, narrow cobbled streets wind their way past Ottoman-era houses, each one more charming than the last. The scent of fresh seafood wafts from bustling local markets, while the distant call to prayer from ancient minarets adds to the city's enchanting ambience. Yet the crown jewel of Antalya has to be the Duden waterfalls. Imagine a cascade of water tumbling down a rocky cliffside only to disappear into the azure depths of the Mediterranean Sea. It's a sight that has to be seen to be believed, a spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty. Antalya is more than just a city. It's a sensory experience, a place that engages all five senses and leaves you longing for more. From the sight of the sun setting over the Mediterranean, to the taste of traditional Turkish cuisine, to the sound of waves lapping against the shore, every moment in Antalya is a moment to cherish. And so, as the sun dips below the horizon and a blanket of stars unfolds above, we bid farewell to Antalya, a city where the old meets the new, where nature and culture intertwine, and where every day is a celebration of the Mediterranean spirit. Antalya is the perfect blend of sun, sea, and sand. And finally, we ascend to the majestic peaks of Mount Ararat, Turkey's highest mountain. This towering giant, cloaked in a shroud of snow and ice, is an awe-inspiring sight to behold. It's not just the sheer scale of Ararat that captures the imagination, but also the mystique that surrounds it. The two peaks of Ararat, Greater and Lesser Ararat, rise majestically against the sky, creating an almost surreal landscape. These peaks are not just physical entities, they are symbols of Turkey's rugged beauty, mirroring the country's rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural splendor. Despite its harsh, frozen exterior, Ararat is a beacon, attracting climbers from around the globe. The challenge of conquering these peaks, of standing atop the roof of Turkey, is a lure for those with an adventurous spirit. And the reward? A panoramic view that stretches out in all directions, a vista that is nothing short of breathtaking. But there's more to Ararat than just its physical grandeur. This mountain holds a special place in the annals of human mythology. It's believed by many to be the resting place of Noah's Ark. This age-old tale adds a layer of intrigue to Ararat, making it not just a destination for thrill-seekers, but also for those on a spiritual quest. As you stand on the slopes of Ararat, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and reverence. Whether it's the chilling winds that whisper ancient tales, the mesmerizing beauty of the surrounding landscape, or the sense of accomplishment that comes with reaching new heights, Ararat leaves an indelible mark on your soul. In the grandeur of its peaks and the depth of its legends, Mount Ararat embodies the diverse and fascinating character of Turkey. It's not just a mountain, it's a symbol of the country's enduring spirit and timeless allure. Mount Ararat stands as a testament to Turkey's rugged and untamed beauty. And there you have it, folks. A quick tour of Turkey's best scenic spots. We've journeyed through the lush greenery of Rize, a natural paradise teeming with vibrant life. We've marveled at the unique, almost alien landscapes of Cappadocia, where every rock formation tells 1,000 tales. We've basked in the azure beauty of Antalya's coastline, where the sea and sky meet in a harmonious dance of colors. And we've admired the majestic peaks of Mount Ararat, stoic and steadfast against the test of time. Such is the beauty of Turkey, a country where every corner reveals a new and diverse landscape waiting to be explored. It's a testament to the world's natural beauty, a testament that keeps us yearning for more, for the next adventure, the next discovery. Which area of the world would you like us to cover next? Please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.